Hi there. Now that we completed the sign up for our AWS user account, the next important step that we need to understand is IAM, or Identity and Access Management. Now, IAM is part of the AWS security and compliance. This is where you log in to manage the access for various users and assign permission for the AWS services. Common uses of IAMs are to manage users, groups, set IAM access policies, and to set rules. Now, when you signed up for the AWS account, you basically were created the root account. So the root account is the email address that you use to sign up for the AWS services. And by default, the root user also has the full admin rights and access. And because you have full admin rights and access, hence you should not share the credentials for the root account. So with the IAM, you will be creating users and then you will share those details with the project members. So now let's go on to the AWS Management Console. So here we are on the AWS Management Console. Now to access IAM, you may, if you're not able to view the IAM icon over here, then what you need to do is go to Services and go to Security, Identity and Compliance. Now you'll see that over here. So click on this, and this will lead you to the Identity and Access Management Console. Alright, so here we are now on the Identity and Access Management Console. So we need to complete certain steps. First, we need to activate the MFA on our root account. So basically MFA means multi-factor authentication, and we can use either a hard token or a soft token, which is basically Google Authenticator. So that's what I'm going to enable right now. So I'm going to just click on this, continue, and yeah, the QR code will appear, and then I need to scan this QR code using your smartphone. Alright, so I'm gonna just do these steps, so just hang on there. So I've completed scanning the QR code onto my Google Authenticator. In case you're wondering what are the various applications that I can use for getting this virtual multi-factor authentication, so this provided on the link. So if you have an Android device or iPhone device, you could use Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator or LastPass Authenticator. So it's totally up to your choice. You don't have to be bound to one particular authenticator. Okay, so once you've scanned the QR code, you will automatically start to see the 6-digit numbers on the QR code. So just key in them. So I'm just doing that right now. Okay, you key in 1, and then you must wait for approximately, I think, 90 seconds for the next code to come. And yep, you've completed this step. Once you've completed the MFA, you will see this new step called create new access key. So we will cover this in our next lesson. So thank you for watching.